back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you are new, what's up? Welcome back, you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this unit here from NIA WIGS. I do want to say thank you to NIA WIGS for providing today's unit. I love this color. I love this style. A super bust down the middle part, straight hair with some action, with some color. All the way here for it. This unit is very well made, amazing. Love the quality, love the color, love the texture, all of that. I even love the faux scalp that it comes with, you guys. Like, the natural faux scalp actually looks pretty good. So if you guys are interested in hearing what I think about this unit and watching me install it, then make sure you continue to watch today's video. And of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I would really appreciate it. Hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified when I upload. And then follow me on my other social media accounts. They'll be right here on my screen as well as in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Alright y'all, so to start off today's video, I'm just showing you what comes in the package. We have a padded brush and some wig caps as well as the wig, of course. It's a beautiful ombre color. I'm loving this color so much. And it comes with a faux scalp with 3 combs in the inside as well as some adjustable bands. And we do have some lace in the front that we will be cutting off. So to start it off, I'm just brushing it out and I just slip that baby on. So this is what the lace looks like. It is pre-plucked, and since it comes with the faux scalp, there was no need to bleach it, which I absolutely love. I've had some experience with faux scalps, and usually I don't like them that much, but I have to say that this faux scalp in this particular unit has changed my mind completely on them. I absolutely love this faux scalp. It was made with perfection. So to secure today's unit, I am using the olive oil Oris Fix It spray. It's just kind of similar to the Got To Be spray, but better. I love this one so much more. It just doesn't leave any residue or anything like that. It holds very well also. So one of my favorite go-to sprays for sure. But as you can see right now, this lace, do you see how well they plucked this lace? And y'all, I did not pluck it at all. This is literally how it came. So I just cut the lace off and I get as close as possible to that hairline so that we don't have any leftover lace. And that was pretty much it. So y'all, this unit was really nice. The quality of the unit is amazing. It has a wonderful texture feel to it. It's kind of silky, but not too silky. I had no issues whatsoever with any shedding or any tangling. Like, it just flowed so beautifully. It has the perfect density all the way around, all throughout the entire unit, which I love because sometimes straighter hair can be a hit or miss. Like, it'll be too thin towards the ends and then really thick at the top, but I did not have that problem with this unit at all. So it's like the perfect made unit. I love the density of this unit, love the texture, love the lace. Everything just worked out so perfectly, so well, that I would highly recommend trying this unit out. And honestly, I want another one, and they do offer this unit in other colors as well. So if you guys are interested in the unit, make sure you check out my description bar below, because I will have a direct link there for you so you can check out this unit. I'll have some other info about it as well. But can we just, y'all see this part, what I'm talking about right here? Even parting this, do you see how visible that parting space is? And that's just with the full scalp, and that's with no makeup. So great quality unit. Definitely recommend trying. Yes, it's going to be a little bit more on the pricier side since it is a human hair unit. However, you guys, you got to think about how long this unit is going to last, and you don't have that much lace to mess with, so it shouldn't wear out too quickly, since it does have the faux scalp in the inside. But yeah, that's all I have to say about the unit. I absolutely adore. I love it. If you have any questions about it, make sure you just leave it in my comment section below. I'll be happy to answer your questions about it. Thank you again, NIA WIGS, and I believe that completes this voiceover. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. is just today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I want to say thank you again to NIA WIGS for providing today's unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.